If you're anything like me, that means you love to eat. And so right now I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, getting ready to do just that. And the reason why I'm in Bangkok is because I found out one of my favorite food content creators, Mark Wiens, has a restaurant here in Bangkok. And so once I heard about that, I figured I have to try it out. The restaurant is called, I think you pronounce Phed Mark. And so it's by the Ekamai bus station. And we're gonna go check it out right now. And we're gonna give one of those Mark Wiens food reactions. Wow, we're gonna see how it tastes, guys. So come along with me right now. We're gonna take the BTS and we're gonna get some food. Let's grub. Special surprise, I didn't mention that Vin Diesel's coming with me. How you doing, Vin Diesel? I guess he doesn't want to come. It's okay, Mark Wiens, I'm coming to try it by myself. I tried to invite Vin Diesel, but he said he's busy doing other things. Alright guys, I'm standing right in front of Phed Mark right now, so we're gonna go inside and see what they have on the menu. I have no idea what the kind of food they have, but let's see. I will get the chicken. Yes. How spicy? Really spicy? I'm not spicy. Alright guys, so we got our dish, our Thai holy basil right here. So this dish right here is stir-fried chilies, it's got garlic, we got chicken in here, it's protein, this egg on top with this rice. Never had it before, but apparently super popular here in Thailand, so let's dig in. All right, so I'm not sure how they normally mix it. I'm just gonna take a bite of this right here. And we'll mix the egg in. If I'm doing it wrong, guys, you guys can leave bad comments about me. Okay. Let's taste with the egg. That is pretty good. So right now, I got this dish at a spicy level. I think, yeah. Mine is called less spicy, but as an American, less spicy still tastes pretty spicy. Let's take another bite and give a Mark Wiens reaction. Wow. This is a pretty tasty dish. I think if I would have got any spicier, my mouth would be burning right now. This is a very quaint restaurant. Small, it's right here by the bus station to where we go to Pattaya is right behind us, Ekamai bus station. I have traveled back and forth from Pattaya now in Bangkok probably about 4 or 5 times. And I never knew that this was his restaurant. So when I found out I had to come here. It's so funny how they call this like less spicy. Any higher, I couldn't take it. I'm still adjusting to the Thai spiciness levels here. You can definitely taste the spices and the basil in this dish. And then I like the touch of the egg. The egg almost helps cool off a little bit the spiciness taste. Also adds a little bit more texture to the dish. And I can now see why this is a very popular dish here in Thailand. Most people know about Pad Thai, but as an American, I didn't know about this. This is my first time having it. And it's quite delicious, so something I'll get again. Now, I do not know if I will get the same spiciness level because for this to be less spicy, I'm dying. But, so they see me doing a review, give me a free soda. So, I'm going to take a sip of this to cool off my mouth. You guys think I should get these chili peppers? No, I'm just kidding, I can't. My mouth is already burning. I'm a wuss, guys. It's gonna take me probably about 6 months to tolerate the spiciness here.